Not a lot's changed since last time. We had to pull out of here to take care of another little project. We're starting to work on that hard area where I talked about that's not going to be fun. Perfect way to start out a week. Looks pretty much the same all the way through. We did fill up. We got our water line to there. Really the only change besides that water pipe is kind of finishing out our initial backfill, going all the way up here to this building. Kind of as last time, trying to keep things from sinking. We did actually have that last trench sink. We wound up just going back, bringing some dirt, putting some more dirt back on top of it, kind of compacting over. So with this one, we're just doing an initial backfill. That way we keep all the trades doing their thing, not stopping anybody. We'll be here for a while, which is fortunate in this scenario because then we can have the chance if it starts to sink, we can get it fixed while we're here. And unfortunately, they actually have quite a bit of dirt here that we're able to be using. So kind of the only update for today. See where we get by the end of the day. I know it's been not very fun getting that dug out this morning. Mentioned earlier, we were out here with Salt River Steel, the steel contractor doing this. I have Chuck here today. He's the owner. Wanted to let him introduce himself, kind of give us a rundown of what you guys do, what areas you service out here in Arizona.
My name's Chuck French. I'm the owner of Salt River Steel LLC. We do pretty much all steel work, site work. We build anything from custom gates, fences, porch awnings. We build obviously barns. We're building this one that's behind us. We do steel buildings, mezzanines. If it's steel, we probably build it.
I've seen them do some things that are really creative, off the wall, and really to appease and help design the look that the homeowner wants. Is there anything specific you feel sets your company apart?
Yeah, I mean, we try not to do cut rate stuff, right? We try to use thicker metal, the correct steel. We just try not to cut corners. This barn behind us, where you kids can't see the house, but we match the colors of the house with the barn. So, we just try to do the little touches. Our trim, the trim is one of the important things I think we do that sets us apart.
Sure. Well, thank you, Chuck. I appreciate it. They're a lot like us. We're more quality over anything else. If you guys are looking for them, pretty much service all of Arizona, right?
Yeah. We travel pretty much all over Arizona. We do jobs in Flagstaff.
Sweet.
We've worked in Buckeye. We've worked, north, south, east, west.
Awesome.
So on Google, you can look us up, Salt River Steel LLC. We have a landing page for a website. It's also Salt River Steel. We have Facebook, Instagram, all the normal stuff.
Deal, man. Well, we'll see you on more of them. Thank you again. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
like working with you.
Yeah, absolutely. Likewise.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Out here pulling wire today. Kind of a big feat. Long distance, big wire. Using our tugger. A couple guys down there at the end feeding it through. And then Gary up here running the puller. Hoping for a smooth one. These go either really good or really bad. We're confident in our conduit work, and that generally is what determines how smooth or horrible this is going to go. Guys are about, 30 feet into the pull. about 375 feet. So we'll check on Gary. I screwed up. I lost all the footage of the wire pull. I had it all nice and recorded, the entire section down there with those guys working their butt off. Gary up here with the puller, and don't know what happened, but it's not there. I'll get the next one, but I do apologize because that was a really cool day. I realize it's not perfect, but again, not a welder. This isn't structural or anything else, just kind of the way I like to do things, keep things clean, and plus I get a weld and I like doing that for fun. All right, so here's what we got. Finished product, as you can see. Come in that door, we got them a nice switch. Coming up. Got a J-box just for future. All the way down. Another switch on that side. Coming in, we got a 20 amp circuit, 120 dedicated for an outlet, another outlet, and a third outlet here, right next to the man door. We turn around and we have a separate 20 amp 120 dedicated for this outlet here, along with this one. And of course, to match the other side, we've got our third, all GFI protected. Got our panel here, got all finished up. That was interesting. Lighting circuit and a couple of outlets. This is our last day for this portion of the scope. Got everything ran, powered up. Really excited because it turned out absolutely awesome. Steel guys are out here finishing up trim. We're just wrapping up, cleaning up. We got all our outlets powered up. Homeowners asked for some lighting. We added that while we were here. Turned out really nice. Hopefully we were able to provide everything the homeowner was looking for, build the final picture that they had in their head. Went ahead, did some outlets, lighting, 150 amps, plenty to expand. Really turned out beautiful. We'd love to be part of these projects that are different than the rest. So thank you to the family for allowing us to be out here and wire your building. We hope for, further business with you and a relationship built for a lifetime.